breathing into the tense areas almost like a laser, releasing any tension, pain, or stress you are holding in that specific area of your body. So bring attention to the top of your head and just notice how the very top of your head feels. And bring that breath into the head. Breathe deeply into any tense areas at the top of your head. And now breathe into the forehead, deeply relaxing your forehead, allowing any tension to melt away with the breath. And now breathe into your cheeks. Feel them relax as you breathe. And breathe into the mouth. Feel your mouth and jaw loosen as you breathe. Now take a deep breath into the back of your head, relaxing the back of your head with each breath you take. And breathe into the tops of your shoulders, letting your shoulders hang and relax. Breathe deeply, relaxing this area. And now breathe into the front of your chest. Relaxing breaths expand and contract your chest. Now breathe into the upper back, sending relaxation here with the breath. Breathe into the middle back now, relaxing this area. And breathe into your lower back, deeply relaxing your back with the breath. And breathe into your stomach, feeling it rise and feel it fall. Any tension, it just melts away. And noticing your ribs expanding with the breath, relaxing your entire body with the power of your oxygen. Bring your awareness to your shoulders and breathe into your biceps, triceps. Breathe into your forearms and breathe into your hands. Bring your attention to your hips. Feel firmly rooted to the ground below you. Breathing into your hips and pelvis, deeply relaxing this area. And bring your attention to your thighs, the right thigh, the left thigh, the right knee and left knee, the right shin, the right calf muscle, and the left shin and left calf muscle, right ankle, left ankle, right foot, and then the bottom of the foot, the top of the foot,